Salutations, fellow chemists. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about redox reactions, and a redox reaction is a reaction that involves reduction and oxidation. What do these mean? Let's very quickly have a look. So reduction is the loss of oxygen. This is what you need to know for combined. And oxidation is the gain of oxygen. You can see that very easily in the name. Oxidation contains oxy at the beginning, so that helps us to remember it's gaining oxygen, and reduction, reduce, to take away. We take away oxygen, you lose oxygen. So let's have a look at this in the context of an example there. So this example is a very, very cool reaction called a thermite reaction. You can go and watch some videos on YouTube about that. And this reaction is a very exothermic reaction. Not relevant though. The relevant bit we need to know is how we can apply this here to reduction and oxidation. So focus firstly on the iron oxide. What you can see, the iron oxide reacts with aluminium to give you aluminium oxide and iron. But if we focus on the iron oxide, you will see we go from iron oxide all the way to iron over here, which shows you that we have lost the oxide part, or we've lost oxygen. So that must be reduction. And I can actually tell you, you go from Fe2O3 to Fe. So you can see very clearly there is no oxygen at the final product there. So this here is a loss of oxygen. Now, if we switch our focus very quickly to the aluminium here, so if you have a look at the aluminium, you can see the aluminium goes from aluminium to aluminium oxide. Let's make a bit more space over here. So in this process here, we actually go from Al to Al2O3, and I'm going to write on the side there, but you can see clearly at the beginning there is no oxygen there, whereas at the end oxygen is bound to the aluminium to make aluminium oxide. So this here is oxidation, and you can see that we gain oxygen here. And what is gaining oxygen? It's the aluminium gains oxygen there. And over here, loss of oxygen from our Fe. Let's swap back. From our Fe to O3 loses the oxygen there. So hopefully that's nice and clear for you. Again, to be clear, this is just for combined, and combined need to know the definition of reduction and oxidation in terms of oxygen. For reduction, it's the loss of oxygen. For oxidation is the gain of oxygen. So hopefully that was nice and easy for you. Make sure that you are checking out our YouTube videos and our TikTok videos as well. And lastly, make sure you check out our Chemistry My Resources, which will be fantastic to help you with your revision. Ciao, ciao, and I'll see you around.